What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08, and we coming live from the garage. Don't mind this box of wine. Alright, y'all, so I'm coming out today with a question. How do you save money for your car audio? Are you working a 9 to 5, taking a couple dollars out of each check just to put to the side for your new build? Smart. Are you doing something like not eating out at fast food when you go to work? This is something that I need to be doing. Let's just say that the average meal is gonna cost you like 8 to 10 bucks, right? Now I know some of y'all thinking, shoot, I go to Wendy's and get the 4 for $4. That's cool, but still, twice a day, that's still $8 and some change. Might as well say 10 bucks. But if you're eating breakfast and lunch, $10 each meal, that's $20 a day. 20 times 5 is what? $100. So every 2 weeks, that's $200 that you can save. So stop eating out, go get you some groceries, make you a ham sandwich for lunch, and get loud. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing to save some money for car audio today. So I'm pretty sure everybody in car audio has one of these. What is this, you say? This is a bucket of, hey man, can I come by the crib and get my system hooked up? Yeah. Hey man, you got any extra wire? Yeah. Hey, I gotta go ahead and put my system in today. Can you do it on your day off? No, but come on with it. And so all these wires are from like amp kits and stuff, little extra wires. When you take out the old stuff and put the new stuff in and they don't know what to do with the old stuff, I just go ahead and throw it in this bucket. And over the years, I have acquired a whole lot of wire. So I know what you're thinking. You really finna sit here and strip all that wire? Yes. Yes. Now, a box cutter and stuff, that will work. I got these little hobby knives from, I don't even know what I was using this for at one time, but I got the set. I went to Harbor Freight and got it. I want to say the set was like $3 or $4, and it gives you like 3 knives and a bunch of little blades at the top. Dang, the light just got bright. Either way, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to strip it. And I'm probably going to speed this process up too. All right, y'all, if I can be 100% honest, I don't like doing this. I don't think it's worth it. Ain't nobody gonna buy it. But it's the only way I'm be able to get some money for it. Well, I take that back. So I guess there's a couple ways that I could have got money for it. For one, I already tried as far as like selling it, as far as strands. I sold a couple 0 gauges. That was about it. It just wasn't worth it. You know what I'm saying? The shipping, trying to post it, wait to see if somebody actually wants to buy it, somebody trying to haggle you down. Oh, I can go to the shop and get it for this. And it's like, well, bro, this came from the damn shop. What is you saying? All right, y'all, and there it is. A whole lot of goddamn wire. How long did it take me? A long time. A very long time. This right here is a whole lot of breaks. I've taken a whole lot of breaks, and I'm about 2 lunches, a snack, and 3 beers in. Alright, now I hope I get some money for this, cause boy, that was some work. How much we can make out this wire? I have no idea how much weight it is. Put on my seatbelt. Finally in line. I got the guy to come check me out and see exactly how much am I going to be getting. I told him it is category 1, so he said he's about to come out to the car and see if this is something that's going to be worth it or not. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try to prop the camera, or what I might do is try to record it with my phone real quick. Oh, here it comes. Hold on. All right, y'all, so they made me separate them. So technically this is category 1, that's category 2. So we're getting about $2 for this and about $1.87 for that. I don't know if that's per pound or per ounce just yet. I forgot to ask, but we about to see how much this stuff weighs, and I'll let you know how much I get. All right, y'all, so we got the results. And here they are. So, Recycle USA, we have category 1 and category 2 copper. That's the copper and the silver, 2 different things. So, if you want to weigh both of those together and you don't split them up, they will only pay you category 2 prices, because they cannot pay you category 1 for category 2. So go ahead and have them split up, which is what I just did sitting in the parking lot. So category 2, I had 9 pounds, $1.80 a pound, $16.20. Not bad. Category 1, I had 31 pounds, $1.96 a pound, $60.76. They rounded me up 4 cents, which gave me a total of $77. That's not bad at all. I'm actually I'm really okay with that. I was looking more towards the 12,000 region, but I knew that was just, you know, give or take a dollar or two. But I told you, as long as we got over 50, I feel like it was gonna be worth it. Now, one thing that I would do for the next time is I would not just gather all the wire and strip everything in one sitting. That wasn't smart. One thing that I will do is next time I get some scrap, I'll strip it then put it in a box and just save the box of already stripped wire. That's gonna save me a lot of headache in the future. So was it worth it? I think so. 77 bucks can go a long way when it comes to doing anything for the system. That could be some money towards another radio. It could be some money towards, again, a custom bass knob, buying freaking subs, amps. Any little bit counts. So if I'm saving money from not eating fast food, taking 25, 50 bucks out of check, and I go scrap all this little wire that's been laying around, then yeah, I can go ahead and get loud. So the wire thing is probably gonna be like a couple times a year, maybe once or twice a year. Just depends on how much installing that you're doing. If you're jumping and you're doing a lot of installs where you have a whole lot of scrap, you can do that way more often than me. I don't do a whole lot of side work outside of my job, so I'm probably just gonna be saving it up for the end of the year. But at the end of the day, 77 bucks, I am cool. Now, one last thing before I get out of here. It says that state law for Alabama, I don't know about your state, so you need to check it out, that when you go to the recycle place and you want to get cash for copper, they have to write you a check if it's over 50 bucks. If it's anything under $50 that they're going to cash you out, they can give you cash. Over 50, they have to write you a check. And these sons of guns will charge you $5 to cash their own check here. So they're gonna give me this check and I'm going straight to the bank. I just wanna let you know, this is one way that I do to save money for car audio. You guys can see if it's worth it for you. But in the comments below, let me know, what do you do to save money for car audio? And till next time, peace. Oh, have y'all been liking the videos, the past 2 showcases? I put a little effort into those. Got a whole lot more coming this year, but getting a little long, maybe. Love y'all, peace.